In this video, I will show you that how you can place trade on MT5 in just few easy steps. So first of all, you need to open your MT5 and make sure it is the latest updated version. After opening MT5, here you can see your US30 pair or any other trading pair. Now simply write your lot size like this. Here you can see the buy and sell options. You can place a trade by buying or selling. So I will tap on buy option. Now my trade will be listed. Next, simply tap on your trade. Now you can see options like close, SL and TP. So I will tap on SL icon and then tap on TP icon. Now this is my TP and this is my stop loss. Simply adjust them and tap on the arrow icon to modify the trade. This is the simplest way to place a trade in your MT5 account. Now as you can see, my trade is running. If you want to close the trade, simply hold the trade. After holding it, these options will appear. You can close, modify or tap on new order. Now to close the trade, simply tap on close position and here you can see close with 0.03 loss. So tap on done and now my trade is closed. So that's how you can place a trade on your MT5 in just few easy steps.